Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, and today is a Scentsy delivery day. I am here to show you what is in this great big old box from Scentsy. So today I have my Whiff Box, and I also have the items that are in my Scentsy Club. So in my Scentsy Club, I have 6 wax bars. Now this is part of the bundle where you buy 5 and you get 1 for free. So I decided to include the Aladdin collection in my Scentsy Club. So I'm not going to go through everything because I've already done a video on this. I will link it above so you guys can check that out. But I just wanted to show you how these are packed. So since the weather is hot, I live in a hot climate. You all know I'm here in Atlanta, Georgia, and it's hot. So these are now being sent in these beautiful Mylar packages, and inside there is an ice pack. So I've already removed the ice pack. So since the Scentsy Club is 6 bars for the price of 5, I decided to get all of the Aladdin collection. So here are the bars. Once again, it is a whole new world. We have Prince Ali. We have Arabian Nights. The next one is One Jump Ahead, and lastly we have Friend Like Me. So for my 6th one, I decided to get another Disney collection item, and that is 100 Acre Wood. So 100 Acre Wood is described as cotton blossoms, wild jasmine, and sweet cozy vanilla. This is a wonderful smelling bar. You can smell the jasmine and you can smell the vanilla. It is one of my favorites, so that's why I decided to put it in my Scentsy Club. So let's now go ahead and get into what you came here for, and that is to see the Whiff Box for the month of June. So we are going to open that up. As usual, you have beautiful purple paper, and once again the wax bars are in the Mylar package, and this is what else is inside. So we have Endless Sea Body Wash. This will actually be my first time using a Scentsy body wash. It says sail free as sea breeze and airy musk mingle with a hint of linen sailcloth. And I already smelled this. It's very fresh smelling. It's blue in color. The men will love this. The boys in your life, the men in your life. It's a very neutral, friendly smell, so everyone will enjoy it. We have a 16-ounce dish soap, and that is in the scent Driftwood Bay. That's described as sea salt mist, white cyclamine scattered over sun-bleached driftwood. I've also smelled this one as well because I just couldn't wait for you guys. And it's also a very clean smelling fragrance. Every scent note that they described, you can actually smell it in this, and it's just a beautiful blend of all 3 notes. So can't wait to try this out, and 16 ounces is a great size for this. So this body wash is $9. The dish soap is $10. So I'm doing a running total so you guys can see how much money you're going to be saving by getting a Whiff Box. And Scentsy decided to bless us with some laundry love today, so we have laundry liquid in the scent Go-Go Mango, which of course is a mango scent. And we also have the Scent Soft, which is the fabric softener, and that is in the same scent. We have 3 wax bars. These are normally $6 each, so this is already $18 plus the $19, which was for the body wash and the dish soap. We are already over $30, and $30 is the amount of the Whiff Box. And we also have 2 really hefty samples of wax. So the new summer scents, right now we have Gone Camping. I was super excited to try this because anything with a smoky note makes me extremely happy. So this definitely has a very incensey type smoky note. I am here for all of the smoke. So the notes are, it says, grab your tent and pick a spot where soft lilies ride meadow breezes beyond the amber woods. So it does not mention a smoke note, but smoke is definitely in this. We have toasted marshmallow that is described as, it says, the summer staple goes gourmet with hints of smoked caramel and vanilla bean malt. In this one, you can definitely smell the marshmallow. Really, I didn't even need to do that because as soon as you open this, you can smell it. Marshmallow Fireside, that's what this smells like. If you love the Marshmallow Fireside candle by Bath & Body, you are absolutely going to love this. I think I'm going to have to put this one in my Scentsy Club for next month. Scentsy also gives you the current scent of the month, which is Squeeze the Day. This is a beautiful lemon scent. It's described as a fragrance of pure lemons balanced with a hint of vanilla cream. I was so surprised by this fragrance because I received it last month as a sample in my Whiff Box from last month. And I warmed this and I was expecting this tart, loud, kind of really sour in your face lemon smell. This is so creamy. It's almost like it's a sweet lemon fragrance. I can't really pick up too much vanilla, but I know that vanilla is cutting through that lemon to not make it so sharp and tart. I warmed this and let my husband smell the sample that I had, and he actually liked it, and he says it smells really sweet and, you know, really good. It smells like a sweet sugared candy, like a sugared lemon candy, the kind that has a little sugar all around. And the scent of the month is on sale right now for $5.40 instead of $6. Okay, so let's get into these samples. As I said, these samples are super duper huge. So we have Tropic Tango, that's described as Tangelo zest, mango puree, and coconut milk. These samples are so big that I usually cut them in 4s, and that is what I use to warm in my warmer. So a 1/4 of this is pretty much almost the size. It's like a smaller size of this. But you can see that's a lot of wax in this sample. It's a hugely generous sample. So I already opened a corner of it. It definitely smells like mango. I'm not a mango fan. My husband loves mangoes. So as soon as he smelled it, he was like, that smells really good. I don't really smell the coconut milk. That mango is like boom, and also the tangelo. You get that citrusy note. And lastly, we have a preview of the scent of the month for July, and that is called Summer Rain. I do not have the scent notes on this one yet, but I have popped it open. And you can see it's a blue colored wax. It's a very aquatic, clean, fresh smelling wax. That's pretty much all I can give you right now. Aquatic, clean, fresh smelling. It does kind of smell like the atmosphere after it rains. Very beautiful scent. So you can see from everything that I've showed you, $30 is a steal. You're getting way more than how much everything really would cost at retail value, and that is with every Whiff Box. They make sure to give you your money's worth on this box, and you always get to see what the scent of the next month is ahead, so it's a win-win. So these Whiff Boxes are available right now. I will go ahead and link my information below where you can go ahead and purchase. So let me know if you enjoy these Whiff Box openings. You know, as a consultant, we get them early, so that kind of gives you a little sneak peek into what the box is. It's supposed to be a surprise, but I know a lot of people don't want to spend $30 on a surprise. So that's why you will see some consultants doing videos to let you know what's in the box. So as always, thank you for watching. Please remember to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, share, turn on your post notifications, and I will see you in the next video.